You've probably heard about the Facebook pixel, but what exactly is it? Let's break it down simply so you can make your ads work better. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the pixel is and why it's a game changer for your Facebook ads. Hey there! If you're new to Facebook ads or just trying to figure out how to make them work better for your business, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Facebook pixel. It's one of those things that might sound a little techie at first, but trust me, by the time we're done, you'll see how it can really help you get more from your ads. All right, so let's start with the basics. The Facebook pixel is a small piece of JavaScript code that you place on your website. It's like a little tracker that follows what people do after they click on your Facebook ad. Imagine you're running an ad for your t-shirt shop. Without a pixel, you know people clicked your ad, but then what? Did they buy anything? Did they browse around? You have no idea. With Pixel installed, you can see the whole story. It tells you if that person who clicked actually bought a t-shirt, added items to their cart, or just browsed and left. This data is needed because it helps you understand if your ads are actually working and which ones are bringing in real customers, not just clicks. Which also means that the pixel helps Facebook find more people like your best customers. It learns who takes action on your site and then finds similar people to show your ads to. This means your ad budget goes toward reaching people who are most likely to buy from you, not just anyone. The Facebook pixel is also used for remarketing as it helps show your ad to people who already showed interest, which is much cheaper than trying to reach brand new people all the time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more straightforward marketing tips.